how to install your internal emergency brake cane onto the dashboard of your 1947 CJ2A Willys Jeep, and it will be located in this hole right here on the dashboard. For this install, you only need two components. First, you need your emergency brake cane and a good old cotter pin to hold the cane to the emergency brake cable. Taking you guys underneath the dashboard, this right here is your emergency brake cable, which we installed in a later video. And this will be your latch system that the cane will go through, and the cane will run down through this hole and attach to your cable with a cotter pin. Looking down the hole of where your emergency brake cane will go, you can see that there's a little latch right here. You're gonna have to push that down so you can push in your cane into the hole, and that actually is a little latch that holds your emergency brake cane in place when you pull it. Holding your emergency brake cane in this orientation, you will push this end through the dashboard. And a little latch you can see right there, you have to push it down like that, and now push it up and push in the emergency brake cane. And you can hear how it starts to latch here like that, and you know that's engaged. And now we will connect the cable to your cane. Push your emergency brake cane through the dashboard, and now it can be connected to the emergency brake cable underneath, and they'll be connected right there with a cotter pin. Pull the sleeve up on your emergency brake cable until the two holes line up, and your cotter pin can be now put into the hole. Now install a cotter pin through the hole that feeds through the emergency brake cane and cable, and downwards, in other words, means with the handle on your emergency brake cane on the dashboard, it faces downwards, and that is just so your cotter pin doesn't get snagged on the harness, which is right behind your emergency brake cane. And just bend up your cotter pin on both sides, and that is how you install your emergency brake cane.